TRX, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to what analyzes, since the price was in this move, we mentioned we can, if we get a reversal, we can look for buy, but the price reversed, but they're very corrective. No one see what's the next. Whether we can expect to get the correction for continuation for buy, this is what we're looking for. Because if we want to look for trade, or we can look for this for, and we can expect the price to go as one more drop. Okay. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart. You want to see what we have based on daily chart. The only thing is based on daily chart. The only thing we are looking for the reversal. But beside that, can we expect to get a bigger consolidation here before we get the reversal? All right. And right beside that, we don't have anything to explain based on daily chart. And if we move to forward chart, the only thing is, as I mentioned, based on 1 hour chart, we're looking for buy. Okay, but right now we don't have any trade set up for buy. The only thing is we want to see whether we get the correction here for buy or not. We can get the trade set up for buy or not. The only thing is maybe we refer to this one. At least we need to get the correction similar to what we get here. If the prices start to correct, maybe we can expect for buy. I mean, for continuation, we can look for buy. But we need to be aware. If this one continues a corrective, we need to be aware of this. We are not looking for the down move. We need to be aware of this, because now the question is, can we put these two in relative to each other or not? Okay, and internally we want to look at this. We want to confirm whether this one can give us one more drop, because if this one gives us one more drop, any reversal can give us a confirmation. But if it doesn't mean that we cannot buy from here. May the price reverse from here. That's why if we get any buy setup similar to what we see here, we will take the trade. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. Now, right now we're looking for buy. The only thing is we have to get the correction here. We need to see when we get the correction, then from there we make a decision whether we can look for buy or not, whether that correction can give us a buy setup or not. Okay, but the reason is we have to wait to get the correction, because the price, then from there we make a decision, because the price can drop and continue. All right, in that case we will have this. That's why we wait a few more hours. If we get the correction, then from there we see how we can look for trade, by either by having a trade both the correction, or internally from the correction we get the flat, we can look for trade. It depends what we get here, but we need to get the trade correction here to confirm for the trade setup for buy. Okay, and simply we cannot buy because of this possibility. And the reason I every time I point on this, because still we can look for this one as a flatten relative to this for one more drop. And as I mentioned, we are not looking for the price to drop. We're looking for buy. The only thing is we're looking for the trade setup, and we need to be aware of this possibility. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.